Hello and welcome to USF's IEEE tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to put together two strands of wire with solder. And there's a couple methods. One, you can use this nifty stand. Makes life a lot easier. But if you don't have that stand, you can also do it with your hands, and I'll show you how to do both. So the first thing you want to make sure of is when you put your wire on your alligator clips, you don't put it too close to the end where you're going to solder, because when the solder actually hits that and warms up the wire, it'll warm up and melt the plastic wrap, and you can actually cause problems with that. But let's say we didn't do that and we just set it up like so. We'll put some solder on the tip of the iron and then tin the wires, and they should turn nice silver with the solder. Now that those two are tinned, you want to situate this to where these two are touching, and you should just make the connection like so.
That has more sensors on the bottom. Like it actually has like an array of 6 in the front.
And there you go. With the alligator clips, that's the easiest way to do it. You have yourself a nice connection between the two. With your hands, this is a little more tricky, but nonetheless we can do it. Same thing, tin the iron. Tin both of the individual wires that you're going to solder. Nice silver. And once you've done that, try your best to hold it together. Oops. That's why this is the trickiest part. And then same thing. Just touch the two wires with the soldering iron. And there you go.